guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today's video I'm so excited about because it is a makeup review and I love doing these videos for you guys. If you guys like makeup videos here on my channel, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. And if you are not already, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I upload new videos every Tuesday and Saturday, and I upload hair videos, beauty videos, lifestyle videos, whatever videos I feel like putting up pretty much. But I really hope that you guys enjoy this review. If you do, leave a comment down below what other makeup review videos that you want me to do. I love doing reviews on foundations because I love foundations. But I would love to do like a full face of new makeup, full face of like drugstore, full face of high end. So if you are interested in those types of videos, definitely let me know down below and I would love to do those for you guys. But I don't want to bore you guys with a super long intro, so let's go ahead and get right into the video. I didn't straighten it and I just don't feel like straightening it, so we're not gonna straighten it. So I just have some warm apple cider vinegar water here, so if I get a little burpy, that's why. But today we are going to be reviewing this new foundation from Maybelline, the Dream Urban Cover Full Coverage Protective Makeup Sunscreen. It has broad spectrum SPF and antioxidant enriched pollution protection. I have mine in the shade 330 Toffee. I hope this is going to match me. I was going to get Sun Beige, but Sun Beige look a little too light, and I'm going to get tan this summer, so when I do lose my tan, I'll go ahead and get the other shade. But too much information for you guys. So it doesn't have any directions or anything on the back. It just says formulated with antioxidants to help protect skin from environmental aggressors. So I really love to use things with sunscreen, especially in the summer. I should use sunscreen every day. I know. I'm trying, okay? So having sunscreen in my foundation is something that's really helpful for me. So I've heard this compared to the It Cosmetics CC cream. Yeah, CC cream. I was like, bye-bye? I was like, no, that's under eye. But I've heard this compared to CC cream, and I personally love light foundations that I really like can't feel on my face because I have really oily skin. I have combo skin, but in the summertime, my skin is just oily. Like, in the wintertime, I have combo normal oily skin, but my skin is never dry. So I'm going to prime one side of my face with this Catrice Prime and Shine Pore Refining Anti-Shine Base. I've used this primer for months now, so I know that it works for me. So I'm just going to spread that on half of my face, like so. So I'm just going to apply this. I also want to try out the new Urban Decay foundation. I've never tried a high-end foundation, I believe, so, and I've heard really good things about Urban Decay, so I'm excited to try that out. I had like a pimple right next to my nose and it's honestly truly like ruining my life. I'm not gonna lie to you. Okay, so that's that. I'm going to spray a little primer spray on that side of my face as well, just because I like to do that in the summertime because it helps my skin not get cakey. So this is just the Wet n Wild Cucumber 3-in-1 primer water. So I'm just going to spray that as well. Just get that on my face. I also have a brush here and a brush and a sponge. This is the e.l.f. Selfie foundation blurring brush, and this is just my e.l.f. blending sponge. I love both of these so much. So this product brings a nozzle. It's not a pump, and I don't really mind that, so I'm just going to pump it out so you guys can see the consistency. Okay, so it's a little runny. It's not super thick, which I don't really mind because, like I said, I do like a thin feeling foundation. So I'm going to go ahead on the unprimed side of my face first, and I'm just going to use that with a brush. I think this color will be good. I think so. And once I put on like concealer and stuff, I'm sure it will be fine. Oh, no, this color is perfect. Perfection. It blends in with my neck so well because my face is so much lighter than my skin, and it's not like I self-tan or anything or like hide my face from the sun. I don't know why my skin chooses to do that, but so far I'm really liking the coverage. It smells like sunscreen, so if you guys don't like sunscreen, I don't think you like the smell of this. I love sunscreen smell personally. Like, that's, if I could get sunscreen in a candle, I would. It's really like dewy, I feel too. Is anybody getting that vibe from my skin? So this is what it's looking like. I will zoom in a little bit so you guys can see up close. But so far, I'm loving this. One of my favorite foundations at the moment is the NYX Bear With Me. Oh my god. I've been wearing that like every day. It is so good. I'm sorry, I'm just blending out my freaking eyelids because I cut them out with concealer, my brows, so they're acting a little wild right now. But wow guys. So this side has foundation, this side does not. I'm really loving the way that this is looking. And with a brush, I feel like I'm getting really good coverage as well. Yeah, so my skin looks good. It covered up my redness that I had. I really like this. So I'm going to go ahead and apply it to this side just to see what we're working with. I don't like how there's not a pump because I don't know how much product I'm using, which is a little annoying. We're also going to see if this oxidizes on me, which would not be the greatest because it's already like the perfect shade, so that one would be good. And now I'm going to go ahead in with my little sponge. I think I definitely like it with a brush better. I can already tell. Yeah, I like it with a brush better. I feel like this, because the foundation is so like lightweight, I feel like the sponge picks up too much product, if that makes sense. So I'll just blend this out so you guys can see the coverage of this as well. Yeah, so let me zoom in for you guys really quick. Okay, so this is my face zoomed in. This side is the side with the brush. I just feel like there's a little bit more coverage here and it just looks more flawless. On this side, I feel like it looks more just like a tinted moisturizer and not as much coverage. So I think it just definitely depends on what you guys like and how you like your foundation to look on your skin. I personally like a little bit more coverage than a tinted moisturizer, more like a CC cream, but less than like a super heavy cakey foundation day to day. But like if I'm doing full glam, give me that full glam. So I'm gonna just see if I can layer it up and if it's buildable or not. So I just squeezed out another little pump on my hand and we're just going to blend this on my cheeks just to see if I can get a little extra coverage there, because my cheeks tend to get really red throughout the day and I just like to cover that up. So it is really buildable. It's not emphasizing my pores or anything like that, which I really enjoy. So this is what we're looking like. I really like the finish of it. It's not super matte and it's not crazy dewy either. It's also very hot in the room that I'm filming in, so a little bit of that dew is just your girl. So make sure to blend down the neck. I really like this so far, guys. So I'm going to go ahead, finish up the rest of my makeup, and I will be back to show you guys how everything went on and my first initial thoughts. Okay guys, I am back. I didn't put on the lip because I'm still drinking my water, but this is how my foundation is looking. I am really in love with it. I think that it looks so good. My products went on so easily and it just went on like a dream. So I am so excited for this product. It looks so good on my skin and I have no complaints so far. Like everything went on really well. I didn't have any skipping. I did set my face with this Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade medium. Guys, nobody reminded me to get this in medium deep. I need to go to the store and get it in medium deep. I'm gonna go do that today. So I did set my face because if I didn't set my face in this 90-degree heat outside in New York, we wouldn't even have a video to film if I came back because my face would be on the floor. So I had to set my face, but I do that with all of my foundations no matter what type of foundation it is because I just know my skin. I get really oily in my T-zone, so I am expecting that to be oily by the end of the day. But I am hoping that this is a winner because so far so good. It looks amazing. So I will go ahead and check in with you guys in about 3 hours or so. Right now it is about 9:32, so I'm going to come back around lunchtime to show you guys what my skin is looking like. So I will see you then. Hi guys, I just wanted to give you a look at the foundation in natural light. I'm in the shade just because it's really sunny outside, but I guess you guys can see it a little bit here. So it looks so natural, so pretty. If you guys can hear my AC, I'm sorry, but it looks so freaking good, you guys. And my highlight though, Champagne Pop Becca, can't tell me nothing. So I just wanted to show you guys in natural light. It's only been like a half an hour with this on, so nothing really to report yet, but I am loving it so far, especially in the natural light. It's so pretty. Hi guys, I just wanted to check in. It is currently 12:28, so I've had this on for like 3 hours, and I think it's looking so good. I did like rub my face because I was sweating before right here, so if it's gone there, that's okay. That was my fault. I do have 2 lines for my sunglasses because it's so bright outside, but I might just blot a little bit here just because I feel a little bit shiny, but it is honestly so hot outside that I think anybody would have to blot at this point because it's just so hot. So I mean, not even a lot of oil is coming up on the thing, like that's just, you know, mostly just, you know, me because I'm just a sweaty gal, you know. Can anyone relate? So I'm just going to blot, and like, yeah, like nothing is coming off. It's mostly on my chin. I feel like my chin has been sweating like so much today. And I know you guys can probably hear the AC too because it is just too hot to not have it on while I'm filming this clip. So yeah, but this is how we're looking. Like I said, these are my fault because I wore my sunglasses. But I think it's looking so good. I have an itch on my nose. But yeah guys, I just wanted to check in with you guys really quick. I'll do another check-in probably around like 3:30 or so. Probably gonna have this on until like 6, so like a normal work day pretty much for everybody. And yeah, I think it looks super good. I'm loving this foundation so far. So I just wanted to check in and show you guys. So I will talk to you guys in a little bit. This guy is staring at me, but I could be FaceTiming. You never know what I could be doing, sir. So also my dog is right there. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. Alright guys, so it is the end of the day. It is currently 7:10 in the PM. I've had this foundation on for about 10 hours or so now, and it still looks really good. As you guys can tell, I'm looking pretty oily in my oily regions, which is my cheeks, my chin, and my forehead. As you guys saw in the check-in, I did blot at around 12, so this is like another like 6 hours of wear or so. So I think it still looks good. I still look healthy. I still look glowy, you know. Highlight, hello, nice to see you. Thank you for joining us today. But I think this foundation looks so good, you guys. I have the price right here for you guys. I don't remember off the top of my head. I did pick mine up at Walmart, like I said. This is also in the shade 330 Toffee, which I think I mentioned, but if I didn't, I just wanted to mention that to you guys. I think that this is an amazing foundation for the summer because it leaves you dewy, but it's not to the point where it is going to slide off your face. So I feel like dry skin people will really like this. Normal to oily skin people will like this, but definitely set it with a powder, my girl. If you're oily, you already know you gotta set everything with a powder. Like, nothing goes on this face without a powder on top, you know? I hope that you guys enjoy this video. I'll just do a little close up for you guys so you guys can see a little bit closer up. I did get some like wearing off on this side, but it's because I rest my hand here, so that was totally just me. Like, if you rest your hand on your face, like, your foundation is going to come off no matter what foundation it is. So I think that this looks so good. If you guys are looking for a new drugstore foundation, I really recommend this one. So let me know your thoughts down below. How do you think this looks on my skin? If you guys have tried out this foundation, definitely let me know down below what your experience with it is so we can get a conversation going down in the comments. And like I said, if you guys are not subscribed already, please subscribe to my channel down below before you leave. And I think that's all I have to say. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I will talk to you in my next one very soon. I love you girls. Mwah. Bye. Thank you.